Frame the shot. So this is in Taipa and it's December right now. So these gifts, Christmas things are here. And go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. And, we're just gonna film in the space a little bit. I'm gonna show you a little bit of what's here. This right here is a little Christmas thing. And we're just gonna go through it a little bit. We're gonna walk through this whole street in a minute, but I just wanna capture some of the peripheral part, which is all this Christmas stuff. There you go. And then this one is more of it. Carmel Market, okay. And this one is 20th year. This is 20 years since it's become not Portugal. 20 years ago it became part of China. And there's definitely a lot of different directions we can go. This is a well-known place. And my goal right now is to go down this, we're gonna go all the way down this crowded street. I'm gonna try to capture some of it as well. Actually, I might do a separate video for that. I'll just conclude this space right here with the Christmas stuff. I'm gonna do another video. So this is in Taipa. Chiquinha, chiquinha.